Good morning, Sunrisers. I'm Dr. Gettinger here at Emerson Animal Hospital, and I have a really awesome story to tell you. This is Frisky. He is a 12-year-old Shih Tzu that came to us for having really bad anal gland problems. He was seen by his old vet, and they just did not know what else they could do because he kept having these reoccurring problems. Well, we have a different regime that we use for anal glands, so when Frisky presented, his anal glands had actually ruptured. These things can happen, and they can be very serious, especially if they're not taken care of. But Frisky was lucky to come here because we have a new regime that includes laser therapy and us actually impregnating the anal glands to help take out the inflammation and heal them. Frisky came in for a couple more treatments with the laser, and his anal glands are actually so much better. A lot of times owners don't understand what the dogs are doing when they're scooching. You might see them sit down and scooch across the floor. A lot of times that's an anal gland issue. So if you see your dog scooching or licking back there, you might need to go ahead and bring them in so we can express them. It is a very simple procedure, and most dogs do really well with it because if they don't get expressed or don't get looked at, then they can rupture like Frisky's did. And a lot of times if they rupture and don't get treated, then they can cause further complications. But Frisky is doing so much better, and his mom brings him here quite often to have him looked at and groomed. And I promise you, if your dog has these kind of problems, please bring him to us. I promise you, he will thank you for it.
WCBI Animal Health with Dr. Emerson was brought to you by Emerson Animal Hospital in West Point.